This is interesting. A person has some cows. Some cows are there. Some cows are there. A person has some cows and some hens. If the heads are 100 and legs are 280, then find the number of hens. That is the question. To calculate easily, we can write like this: hens and cows. So heads are 100. So definitely each head will be having 2 legs. So here you will be getting 200 legs. Here also heads are 100, but cow will have 4 legs, right? So into 4. So 400 legs. Now interesting. The total number of legs are 280 only. So here I am taking 280. If I am going to take like this, here 200, 280 minus 280, 400 minus 280. So this would be 120. So what are the minimum number of legs these animals have? 2, right? So divide with 2. So by 2, here by 2. So here 40, here 60. Now what are these 60? These 60 are hens. What are these 40? Cows. Like this we can calculate very easily. Got my point or not? Now more or less the same question we are going to see here. 320 rupees we have to distribute for 40 people in such a way that every man has to get 40 rupees, every woman has to get 5 rupees. Then find the number of women. So same, we can use the same way. Men, woman. So the total amount is 325. Okay. And when it comes to 40 people are there. So let it be 40 are men. Let it be. So then we have to give each one 40 rupees. It is going to be 400. Let it be 40 are women. Then each one we have to give 5 rupees. So this will be 200. Now the total amount is 325, right? So we have to distribute in such a way like this. So how much it would be? 400 minus 352. That means here 48. 352 minus 200 means 152. Now in this ratio we have to distribute. Now simplify this ratio. How much it is? 120, 25 na? Okay. Then it will be 125. So 125 and this is 400 minus 125 means then it will be 75. So 25 5s are is to 25 3s are. So in 5:3 ratio, that is men and women, we can distribute the amount. Now what he has asked, how many number of women are there? So women is 3 parts, right? 3 by 8 into, if he is going to ask how much money, then you will be using 325. But he has asked number of women, right? Total people we have to take. So 40. So 8 1s are, 8 5s are, 5 3s are 15. So number of women are 15. Now this is again an interesting question. 100 people have food for 30 days. 10 people left after 20 days. Now how many days will the remaining food last? Interesting. There are totally 100 people are there. And they have food for 30 days. but 10 people left after 20 days. So that's why I have written this equation like this: 10 people into 30 days minus 10 days, because 10 people left after 20 days. So 30 minus 10, so 20 days. So which is nothing but the remaining food is there for 80 people. But we don't know how many days. That's what x. Now I'm going to calculate this value of x. So 100 into 20, which is equal to x. So x equals to 100 into 20 by 80, which is 25. Now you need to understand here one point. How we are able to write this equation? This is important. I did not take anything from my mind. I have taken this, I have written this in equation from the given information only. Food is there for 100 people for 30 days. Food is there for 100 people for 30 days. But you know what happens? After 20 days, 10 people left. After 20 days, 10 people left. Now, for 100 people, for 30 days, food is there. But after 20 days, 10 people left. So 30 minus 10 I have written, which is equal to 80 into x. Okay, that means the remaining people and remaining number of days. So this number of days I am going to calculate. So 100 into 20, which is equal to 80x. Therefore x equals to 25. This is how we need to calculate. So guys, you need to practice more number of problems on these models. I have explained for every model one question. Focus on these models, think logically, understand, and then do practice a lot so that you can solve the questions very easily. So with this, more or less all the models I have completed from ratio and proportion. In the next video, we will see the next topic. Thank you. And one more thing, friends. Many people are watching the videos, but they are not subscribing. Friends, if you are going to subscribe my channel, so that I will be getting motivation. And one more thing, please watch the video from starting to ending, so that you could understand the concepts and the problems clearly. Understands? Thank you.